Okay guys, let me just quickly show you how Shadow Fight 4 hack looks like on my mobile device. Now, bear with me. Any second now guys, you will see all the resources rising up just like that. This is totally unbelievable and so satisfying to watch. Let me show you the full process on it. Let's go. Hello YouTube and welcome back to my brand new tutorial guys. In today's video, the Shadow Fight 4 hack is here guys, and boy, it is exciting because you can get all the unlimited gold and coins for your Shadow Fight 4 mobile game. Now guys, bear with me, this won't take too long, 2 or 3 minutes at top. What you only need is, of course, your Wi-Fi connection and your mobile device, which can work for both iOS and Android devices. Now guys, let me show you the full process on it. Let's go. Now guys, what we need to do is pretty much simple. So if you're an Android user, please make sure that battery saver mode is off. As for the iOS users, head over to settings and then battery. So make sure that low power mode is off, as you can see. Not to be yellowish in the top right corner, then just regular, the white color. Now guys, moving forward, we will go to settings once again, then general. Right after that, background app refresh. Okay, not iPhone storage, sorry. Background app refresh, and make sure that background app refresh is on for Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now guys, we have prepared our mobile device with the first steps. We will continue forward, including our browser, of course. Any browser can come in handy. What you need to type in is this right here. Now guys, we can find a bunch of stuff here. But let's focus on Shadow Fight 4. Now, as we scroll down, there it is right there. I will click on it. Moving forward to the last parts, guys, where we will receive the Shadow Fight 4 hack. There is just one simple step left. And as you can see, guys, we will need to enter up our username, select the platform which you're using and the amount of gems which you want to receive. Of course, you will receive all the other resources. Once you click on continue, guys, that should be it. It is checking up if we are updated to the latest version of the mobile game, and of course, if we did all the other parts. So please make sure you've done that. Now, guys, once this is completed, you will have the gems and resources, and the Shadow Fight 4 hack will be there. Now, it may appear that you will be redirected to the last part, where you will need to simply download some apps and do what it says from you in the description. So basically download 2 or 3 apps which are from the official App Store or Google Play Store. And guys, once you've done that, restart your mobile device and you will have your resources rising up just as they did to me. Now guys, if there are any questions, feel free to write in comments down below. I will always answer them for you. Leave a like, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.